Hey everybody, Dr. Justin here. We have a brand new case study. This is the Beer Queen. So the Beer Queen, as promised, her prognosis is 10 treatments. Okay, I promised you guys from now on, every case study, we were going to add the prognosis. So in 10 treatments, she is going to have zero pain, zero issues. Let's see if that comes true. Anyway, so she has very interesting case study, by the way. She has nerve entrapment in possibly not just one, but two places. She's complaining about her right elbow pain being an 8 out of 10 to a 20 out of 10. She actually said that she wants to chop her arm right off. Anyway, we started the TrapEAZE Technique treatments with her. Her upper back is starting to feel a little bit loose. So keep on watching. Lots more Beer Queen case study videos coming at you guys. Everybody have a great day.